In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Trello cards together. Linking cards in Trello can be a powerful way to keep related tasks, projects, or information connected. Whether you're managing a complex project with multiple interconnected parts or simply want to enhance your organizational strategy within Trello, this tutorial will guide you through each step needed to successfully link two cards. To get started, open your Trello board where you'll be working with the cards. Begin by clicking on the card that you want to create the link from. This will open up the card menu, giving you a variety of options to interact with it. Once you have this card open, look for the Share button. Clicking on this button will show you options related to sharing and transferring information about the card. Here comes the next step, copying the link to this card. After you've clicked on Share, you'll see an option to Copy Link. Make sure to copy this link to your clipboard as you'll need it to link to another card shortly. Once you've done this, you can close the card by clicking on the X or pressing the close button, depending on your interface preferences. With the link to your first card copied, it's time to move on to the second card, the one you want to link to. Find and click on this card to open it. In the card menu, look for the attachment option. Clicking on attachment will let you add different types of attachments to this card. Now you'll need to paste the link you copied earlier. Go ahead and paste that link into the attachment box. Once you've done this, complete the process by clicking on the insert button. This effectively creates a direct link from your second card back to your first card. Now let's make it reciprocal by linking the second card back to the first. To do this, you will need to repeat a similar process. With the second card still open, click once again on the Share button to copy its link. Close the card once the link is copied, navigate back to your first card, open it and click on Attachment once more. This time you'll paste the link of the second card and press Insert. And just like that, your cards are now fully linked together. This simple process creates a two-way link, ensuring you can easily navigate between related tasks or projects, thus enhancing fluidity and cohesiveness in your workflow. The ability to cross-reference information and tasks directly within Trello can be a game changer for team collaborations or personal project management. With your cards now linked, you're set to enjoy a more connected and organized board in Trello. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.